Hello, this is Caitlin Rule, and this is Leading with a Moral Compass. I'll start off with my resource summary. A moral compass is known as each person's mental processes that point a person in a particular direction in life. These processes are consistent and true indicators upon which personal belief and action can be based. If you don't have a compass, you'd get lost. It is so easy to get lost in those woodsy trails of life, and sometimes it can be hard to find your way. There has to be integrity, right and wrong choices in everyday life. It is important to find the true north of choices and by sticking by it. When it comes to being a leader, understanding your own moral compass is a must. If you expect to be a leader, your personal life is no longer your own business. It becomes the business of people to know. Therefore, you need to know what your values are and what you believe before you make a decision. Understanding what is your line to not cross, what is negotiable, and what's not. Setting your true north will help you to know you are on the right path to ethical decision making. Most on emotion or even mere intuitions, like having a gut feeling that something is right or wrong. This is your sign. Emotions have evolved in part to encourage us to obey society's moral rules so we can live in groups, cooperate as citizens, and stay motivated to do the right thing. Most of these decisions reflect back to the golden rule. Treat others the way you want to be treated. None of us, presumably, want to be disrespectful or disrespected, so we should treat others respectfully. We seek out loyal and empathetic friends who are there when we need them. In conclusion, a moral compass should be a reflex of knowing what is right and wrong and doing what is right. It is important to reflect on your own moral compass and understanding your beliefs. This can help you in your day-to-day life as a leader or just a good person who makes good choices. Here's an example of my moral compass. My true north is the golden rule. And with the golden rule, I have integrity and forgiveness. Knowing what those decisions are really help me in my day-to-day life. Treating others the way I would like to be treated is really how I make my opposite of my true north. I have selfishness, grudges, lying, the things that I definitely try to stay away from, and I really focus on that true north. Here are my references that I used in this presentation. And I have my standard correlation. This assignment demonstrated correlation to the standard by having me create a model of ethical behavior into a moral compass. The resources provided increased my knowledge of what a moral compass consists of and how it can reflect those examples into my own moral beliefs. This assignment was relevant to my current learning because in order to become a school leader, I need to understand the importance of having a moral compass and the needs to consider into becoming a leader. This assignment increased my knowledge by providing me with information about where morals come from in my own life and how to define them. I have always believed in the golden rule, and now that I have read the articles and watched the videos over understanding moral compass, I understand it's been my true north all along. This assignment will influence the decisions I will make as a future school leader by being able to reflect onto my beliefs of true north means to me and how I can bring that into my school. I appreciate the videos on providing me with examples on how a moral compass is important as a leader and the benefits it can bring into that work for you. Creating my own moral compass helped me to really think about my beliefs and what choices I think are right and wrong. I do agree that most decisions are made out of reaction and emotion. Therefore, it's important to always be aware and in practice of your own moral decisions.